Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today because I want to share with you guys an Ikea hack that I'm gonna do. You know they have the mirror bedroom sets. I just love them. And then they also have the mirror, the DIY mirror dressers and stuff that they do where you buy the big sheets of the mirror and you place on your dresser. Yeah. Now those do look nice and I really like them. But I just couldn't bother with that, to buy the big sheets of mirror and then to come and put them on. I didn't know, so I liked it, but I was wondering, you know, what can I do? Okay, and I said, you know what, that thing is not for me because I'm not going to be bothered with all those big pieces of mirror to get them and stuff like that. But I went into my Dollarama, you guys, OMG, and let me show you what I found. I found these. You guys. They are little cut squares of mirrors. If I can get it out the pack to show you. Yeah, little cut squares of mirror. And they have adhesive on the back. You have to peel off the sticker, but they are so cute. Yeah, so I thought my Ikea dresser, this would be a great match to put the mirrored pieces on. So that's what I'm coming on today to share with you guys, my Ikea hack. Yeah, so let's get into the things that we'll be using. Of course, we'll be using the mirrored pieces, and we'll be using some E6000 glue. Alright everyone, we're going to start by measuring how much squares we need to put on the dresser. Then we're just going to use our X-Acto knife and cut strips. And we're going to use some E6000 and glue our mirrored strips onto the dresser. Tell me, why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? Yeah. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's gonna be there for you. That's me, you know I'm waiting. Yeah, I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. You know I'm waving. Baby, you know I, baby. Waving, baby. I'm waving. I'm waving. You know I wave, baby. Wave. You know I waving. And now we're going to add some smaller strips going straight across the front of the dresser. When the summer comes around, you know it should be. When the summer comes around, yeah, he should be around you. Yeah, he should be. And I'm not trying to be a hater, but tell me why you stay with him. Yeah, baby girl, you great. Oh, baby girl, you straight. He don't know what he's got. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize. No, he don't recognize you. You real recognize real. And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better get with me. Cause I'm waving. You know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. Yeah, I'm waving. Ooh, you know I'm waving, baby. Waving, baby. And here's our finished look, you guys. OMG. It looks very nice, don't you think? Oh, I love how it turned out. These mirrored pieces are oh so nice. They helped me to achieve the mirror dresser look that I wanted, and I love it. At a fraction of the price, I absolutely love how it turned out. OMG, I never knew it would turn out so nice. It looks lovely.
Wavy. Ooh, you know. Oh,
And here is the night table, you guys. I blinged that one out also.
tell me where he gone. Tell me why your man not here. Tell me, why isn't he here? Why isn't he here? Yeah. You need somebody else to be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's...
Here's the other dresser that I did. I did all 3 pieces. It was so easy, so fast to do, and I love the finished result. It looks absolutely beautiful. I got the mirrored look that I wanted, and I didn't have to buy the big sheets and glue it on because, like I said in the beginning, that wasn't for me. But I love how it turned out like this.
Wavy, wavy, ooh, you know, wavy, baby, wavy, baby, wavy. When the summer comes around, you know, he should be. When the summer comes around.
Alright, you guys, I hope you like my Ikea hack that I did. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I've done today. And I hope I've inspired you. Wasn't that a lovely DIY for you guys to do? Yeah. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.
And if he ain't claiming you, girl, you know you better give him